How to use Bard AI Google 2024. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bard AI, which is now turned to Gemini, and we're going to be talking about how you're going to use it. So simply come over, even if you search up Bard AI, you're going to come to Gemini at the top link. So what you're going to do over here is just go ahead and ask it anything because it's your basic chatbot. So if you use ChatGPT or Anthropic or Claude or any other chat-based software, you know what to do with this. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and ask, how tall is the tallest? Okay, let's go ahead and ask it something like that. So once you ask it something like that, it's going to give you straight, direct, concise answers. And then it also goes ahead and searches on Google, and it says that, this is totally verified. We'll also go ahead and give you a proper source to read it from. Moving on, you can also go ahead and upload images for yourself. So if you want specific images that you want to study or maybe know about, you can do that as well. So let's say I'm going to upload this image that we have over here. I'm going to go ahead and submit it, and let's see what Gemini actually has to insinuate about it or say about it. So there we can see it's a photo of skeletons just like this, and it just went ahead whole skeleton bones. There are smallest bone, tallest bone, etc. It keeps going on. So that is basically how you're going to be using Bard AI for Google 2024. So yeah, that is probably all there is. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.